Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this episode, I'm going to be guiding you how to earn coins for Pac-Man 256 for free. First of all, open the game on your device. Don't forget to log in to Pac-Man 256 every day. Many versions give daily coin bonuses or increasing streak rewards. Now, once you are inside the home page of Pac-Man 256, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the little arrow facing upwards. You'll see several different menus over there. Tap on the C option with a little lock in it, and on the next page, check for the Pack Shop where you can find the Earn Coin Watch Videos option. Tap on that and watch a small video to earn coins. But remember, that option might not be available all the time. Once it is, you can tap on it and watch a short video and earn coins for free. You can also go ahead and look for the coin doubler option over here at the top in order to get double coins. You can also collect in-game pickups. During runs, pick up any coin or power-up pickups and use character power-ups or skins that make pickups easier if they are free or unlocked. That way, you will be able to earn free coins on Pac-Man 256. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.